HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hello kids, look at this cute little frog. Let's learn how to draw him. A curved line for his mouth. Big round eyes. Connect both the sides. Now come the arms, the fingers with circles at the end, the leg and toes too. And just like this, let's draw the other arm and leg. Draw the eyes and some spots on his body. Wasn't that super easy? Let's begin coloring. Let's start with the dark green for the eyes. And a light green for the face. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Let's keep going. Neatly color all over the face. Done! Now, let's color both the arms. Legs. This already looks great. Did you know a frog absorbs water through their skin? So they don't have to drink any. And we're nearly done. Fill in the spots with the dark green. And for the bottom of the face too. We can color the rest of his body with a bright neon yellow. What a cute little frog! For the final touches, let's add a neat outline. and a tongue. Woohoo! Here is our friend Mr. Frog. See you next time. Hello kids! For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. Some purple will be great too. Orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun! Hi kids! Are you ready to draw some shapes? Let's begin. Draw a circle and then a triangle. Yes! Great! Can you guess the next one? It's a heart. And the last one, a square. Wasn't it easy? It's time to give our shapes happy faces. Draw eyes, color the pupils in, and a cute little smile. A face for our triangle. And don't forget the eyebrows. Next, a face for the heart. And the square too. Don't they look so cute? Next, let's do a neat outline for all the shapes. We did a great job! And now comes the best part, kids. We get to color in. A bright, happy yellow color for our circle. Let's keep going, just like this. Here is our circle. Looks great. Let's move on to our triangle. A light green color. Let's stay within the lines, nice and neat. And here we have it, a triangle! Yay! Moving on to the heart. Pink will look great, don't you think? Let's color. Aren't you having fun? And done! A heart! Lastly, let's use orange for the square. We're almost done, kids. Our drawing looks great. It's such a happy, colorful picture. And also a fun way to learn our shapes. We are done with the square. Here are all our shapes. Hope you had lots of fun. See you next time. Hey kids, ready to draw this cool and colorful hand? Let's begin. It's super simple to draw a hand. You can also lay your hand down and trace around it. Let's give a neat outline to the hand now. Now add a heart shape in the center with red, just like this, and color it in. Looks great. Make a circle with the yellow around the heart. And begin to color in. Just keep going. Make sure to stay out of the heart. Now let's add a line of green, nice and neat. It's time for some blue. We're doing great. And here comes a bright pink. Yay! And the last color is orange. We're almost done. Let's quickly color in. This hand is going to look awesome. And here is our heart in a hand. Woohoo! That was fun! See you next time